Today's video is sponsored by BODEGA.
Hey guys, Adam from Adventure Overland here, and we have another Tech Talk video for you guys today. Now, full disclosure, this is not a paid sponsorship video. Good folks over at Bodega was generous enough to send us their 36T or 38 quart dual zone fridge freezer for us to test for you guys and to give you, the viewer, an honest opinion. Like I said in the intro, and this is in Bodega's 36T or 38 quart dual zone fridge freezer. Now the Bodega 36T is 28.5 inches in length, 14.1 inches in width, and 14.4 inches in height, and weighs 30.1 pounds. Now there's two ways that you can power this fridge. One, you can use your DC 12 volt cigarette lighter plug or your 24 volt AC adapter. Now this fridge is nice and quiet at only 42 decibels. So for your van build or RV camping, this is nice and quiet at nighttime. Now, like I said, this is a dual zone. So you have your fridge and your freezer. And what I like about it is just the simplicity on just how easy it is to use. You have here a little square diagram and then a L obviously showing fridge, freezer, which makes it really easy to know which side that you're working on. Very simple controls, and down for colder, plus for warmer temps. It's got the on-off switch here, and then to change from max to eco mode, it's just that simple. Now on max mode, you're going to be drawing about 60 watts of power. On eco mode, which is good if you're doing some driving, plugging it into the back of your vehicle, it only pulls 45 watts, which is basically like charging 3 cell phones at once. It does have an interior light, so you can grab those snacks at nighttime. What's also nice about this fridge, it's got a charging port, a USB, so you can plug in your phone, your drone, GoPros, and whatever, and have the snacks handy too. Now what's also nice is this extended handle and these off-road wheels. This makes it super easy to go from your vehicle to a nice spot overlooking the mountains, the beach, the park. Now if you are above 5'10", I would say this handle might be a little bit short, but again, you're not going to be trucking this through the bush. Now what's also nice is just the size of the 36T. This is basically the same size as a traditional cooler, which makes it easy, you know, to get it in and out of your vehicle. So if you've been looking for a fridge freezer, but you don't want to spend a lot, definitely give Bodega a try. We've had this now for a few days and we've been using it and bouncing around in the backcountry. It keeps all of our drinks, our snacks nice and cold. It's quiet and it's not going to break the bank. Right now, Bodega is having a sale. I'll leave links down below to their Amazon and their actual website. You can check them out. And I'll leave codes down below where you can get a discount on any of their products. So just want to say again, a huge thanks to Bodega for sponsoring today's video. Take care.